Hello and welcome back. I'm Rohit Paradkar and today we are unboxing something really special from Kaido House and Mini GT, the Datsun 510 Wagon Kaido OG in Flow Yellow. The box art is striking as always, but at the rear, a new Nissan hologram is spotted compared to the rectangular license sticker that we've seen all these years. I think it looks quite good. The Japanese kanji says Bluebird because this car is originally called the Datsun Bluebird. Datsun, for those of you who don't know, is Nissan of today. The moment you open the lid, you see that fluorescent yellow is clearly the theme here. That's why Flow Yellow. And the red and white accents look good. And now the car. Tight blister securely holding it. And the car. Oh, so shiny. Love that green. Jun Imai's wild takes on classic Japanese cars continues with this one. And if you know Kaido House, you know it's not just about nostalgia. It's about turning icons into radical collectible art pieces. This one just shines. It looks just as good sealed as it does opened. At first glance, this car is loud, colorful, and impossible to miss. The vivid green and that red livery with the big racing roundels and the Kaido House logos peppered all around instantly give it a retro racing vibe. It's got that 70s Japanese touring car silhouette, touring car influence, but Kaido House has exaggerated everything for effect. The flared fenders, deep chin spoiler, race-ready stance, it's all there. Let's get into the details. The hood opens up to reveal a highly detailed engine bay. The custom motor has polished parts, painted accents, and is properly scaled, giving you a feel of a miniature model kit, not just a die-cast. And check out those wheels. Deep dish anodized aluminum wheels, another Kaido House signature. They sit perfectly under those fender flares, giving the wagon its aggressive stance. Around the back, the detailing continues with the shotgun exhaust, the authentic tail lights, badging. There are some paint imperfections around the D pillar though, the only downside to this stunning paint job. And something I love, the stance. It isn't just for show. The car rolls smoothly, but it keeps that slam look that we associate with Jun Imai's builds. Now here's some trivia for you. And I'm going to call back Frank the 510 sedan for comparison. The Datsun 510 has a cult following around the world. Known as the poor man's BMW back in the day. It earned respect thanks to its independent rear suspension, lightweight chassis. It became a giant killer of sorts. The wagon variant is even more unique. Not as common as the sedans, of course, which makes it the perfect base for Jun Imai's wild imagination. And the Flow Yellow livery is a tribute to Kaido House's signature bright, exaggerated colorways, which were meant to stand out in the world of Kaido racers, those custom Bosozoku-inspired builds from Japan. So what we have here is not just a die-cast car, it's a piece of Japanese car culture, reimagined as always for collectors. The Kaido OG Datsun 510 wagon in Flow Yellow, that's what it's called. It's a blend of nostalgia, racing heritage and pure creative expression. If you are into JDM history, Kaido racing culture or just love detailed die-casts, I think this one is a must-have. And like all bright Kaido House and Mini GT releases, these tend to disappear fast. So if you see one, don't hesitate, just get it. So that was our unboxing video of the Datsun 510 Wagon Kaido OG. What do you think of the Flow Yellow livery? Is it a hit or a miss compared to other Kaido House colorways especially? Drop your thoughts below, let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxings, more JDM history, more trivia, more such content. Until the next one, take care, drive safe, and happy collecting.